Hi, welcome to our one more video of our this penthouse which we are doing at Kundapur. So this is a 14 by 18 one big hall we have done, and also one small utility area and a washroom outside we have done, 6 by 5 size, and inside we have done the two coat putty paint, and one side we have left it for the wallpaper, and this is the outside which we have done texture, internal external walls with the 3 inch and slab with the 2 inch, and this is the washroom area, and putty is being applied inside the walls. We will use Birla or JK wall putty, and paint, tractor emulsion paint, we will use it. So here this total project was done a little bit slow. It's been taken 2 months because of various reasons, and we have done concealed electrical wiring, as you can see, and this is the waterproofing we have done at the joints. Initially there was some leakage with the joints, then one more area we have up where there is a joint with the slab, you can see this joint. So there was some leakage which we have rectified it. Once the client has given clearance after the water leakage issue, there is no such issue, then we have gone ahead. And in before this, you can see this mangalore tile. The scope was with the client. We didn't do this work. They have done it from their side because they wanted some extension at the front. This is the wallpaper, Korean wallpaper. So this PVC ceiling is not yet done. So PVC ceiling will be done. We'll show you the final look of that also. And this is the UPVC door and window with the grill we have provided. This was specific requirement of the client. This is the 4 by 5 size, 5 by 4 size of the window with the grill, you can see, and this wallpaper look is. Part wise this work is going on. Almost the final things is all done. Doors is to be fitted, then false ceiling. These final fittings of the plumbing is also done.